Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this short video I'll show you how to install NZR Plus application to your Hisense Smart TV. If you find the video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, share for more important videos like this. So to install this application, the first thing is for you to launch the App Store on your Vida TV, which should look like mine if your TV is the real Vida TV. So once you launch the App Store, go over here and just click on it and search NZ. So the application is NZR. So just type in this and you go ahead and search. And here is it NZR Plus. Click on it once and it's going to load the page to install the application, which is very simple to do. So just wait for it to load and here is it. Click install and then you are going to get the application. You can choose where to place it and you can go ahead and launch it on your Hisense Smart TV. And that's how to install the application as you just saw me do. So if you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this.